I hope everyone enjoyed the fabulous weather over the Easter break and shared plenty of chocolates with their loved ones. Hi, I'm Dean Weintraub, Development Manager for the Monroe, and I'm pleased to bring you this month's Developer Report. Our principal contractor, Hutchinson Builders, were pleased to complete the pour of Level 9 roof just before Easter shutdown period to ensure works remained on track. Construction progress reported for the month of April are as follows. Basement works are now approximately 80% complete with services, trades, rough-in and fit-off happening. Tower structure works are nearing 95% complete with Level 9 suspended slab and roof completed. Facade works have hit 40% complete mark with external glazing installation now progressing up to Level 7. Balcony balustrade works are now in progress on Level 1 to 8 and external painting happening on Levels 1 to 5. Finishes trades are now around 30% complete with continuation of various trades to Levels 1 to 7. Looking ahead, our next major construction milestone targeted by the builders is when the tower crane is dismantled and demobilized from site, which is currently forecast for mid-June this year.
Based on current construction program, building completion remains unchanged and anticipated for mid-Q3 2023.